welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well, doing so well, and in this video I am going to talking about Adobe Stocks and Adobe Creative Cloud. And this is the page of Adobe Creative Cloud, and you have seen this that I have 4,000 AI credit. Yes, this is under a enterprise subscription, and if you go for this manage account, you will see the plan of hours. And what is this? This is the enterprise VIP subscription from Adobe, and this includes 1 terabyte storage, and this name is Thunderbreaks. This type of Adobe Creative Cloud subscription we purchased from Adobe resellers. Those are official resellers. And we have also another thing, that Adobe Stocks. If you go for stocks.adobe.com, you'll got this option, and simply log in with your email. And this is the Adobe subscription of Adobe Stocks, and here you can download unlimited images and the vectors, but this subscription not included the videos. And this subscription you can take for 1 month to 1 year, any duration from us. We provide this to you to help you to so that you can do a work perfectly and you can use the unlimited access of the Adobe Stocks. This series unlimited access and available stocks quota, unlimited images you can download from Adobe. If you want to Adobe stocks down images and vectors for your necessary designs and creativity, you must need this. And in this video I have shown that how can you get this. You have to go for our website. If you come here and contact with us on our WhatsApp, Telegram, you will got this subscription and cheap price. Hopefully this video is very helpful to you guys those needed this subscription. We provide the subscription from the Adobe's official resellers, and hopefully this video is helpful to you guys those are looking for the Adobe Creative Cloud with unlimited access of Adobe Stocks. So why are you doing late? Message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram and get the subscription on your own mail with the duration. Thank you for watching. Our license purchased message from the Adobe. You go, this is my mail, and this is the purchasing message. That's I have recently bought the 50 license from Adobe, and this the duration is 12 month. Okay, and now Creative Platform, the license is 50 now, and that's how we purchase from Adobe, and that is real and authentic, and that's very important to the user those are using this subscription. Thank you.